Welcome to WHS Advance training tutorials. In this session you will learn how to use your WHS Advance system to reach compliance in 6 easy steps. WHS Advance has been designed to show your efforts in meeting new work health and safety laws. By using the system in a simple 6-step process, you can get the maximum out of your system. So what are these 6 steps? You have already completed the first step when you completed the starter kit. Items such as sites, activities, chemicals and plant equipment all have certain hazards relating to them. Under new work health and safety laws, a person controlling the business undertaking must identify the hazards and control the risks. So by using the hazard register located in the risk management section, you can enter hazards that you have identified relating to these items. During the hazard process, you should have developed control measures to reduce the risk of the hazard occurring. This leads us to our next step. Step 3. Safe work procedures. The activities, chemicals and plant equipment that you have just identified that have hazards relating to them also need a safe work procedure built to implement these control measures and to help the employee undertake these activities safely. If you have any current documents such as safe work procedures or material safety data sheets, upload these documents next to the items that are listed in their registers now. If you haven't any current documents, you can either use the system's procedure builder to build them, or contact us and we will get one of our highly trained consultants to help you. Once completed, you can move to the next step, which is developing checklists. Checklists are a great way to monitor the safe work procedures and control measures you have implemented in the previous steps. You can use these checklists to show compliance that your employees are undertaking certain activities, chemicals and plant equipment correctly and safely. For example, a pre-start checklist for a forklift. Checklists prove a history of compliance, as your WHS Advance system keeps a log of the completed checklist. After developing checklists, the next step is to develop policies. You did this in step 8 of the starter kit process, but now after going through and completing the previous 4 steps, you may have identified the need for some new policies. A policy is developed to show commitment to a certain process, which leads us to the final step, inductions. You may have the best control measures, safe work procedures, emergency procedures, checklists and policies in the world, but if your employees don't know of them, they are useless. WHS Advanced has a comprehensive e-learning module that can help you consult with your employees on all these efforts you've made to provide a safe workplace. Inductions are an extremely important process of compliance, as you will need to show records of inducting your employees. The WHS Advanced system keeps a history of the induction that every individual employee has undertaken to help prove your efforts in providing a safe workplace. Well, that's the 6 steps to compliance, and once completed, a constant review process should take place. You can do this by setting alerts in the User Admin Dashboard section. I hope this tutorial helped you in getting to know the WHS Advanced system and how it can help you reach compliance to the new safety laws.